Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As today, I have a special guest with us. He hasn't been here in a hot minute. We have my boy, Grady. Today we're going to be doing some trout fishing. We're using these little micro red hooks, as you can see there. And we're going to be using some night crawlers on this beautiful stream here. Hopefully we can catch some fish today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get on with it. We're using just like a small hook with night crawlers, and we're basically just in a small creek. I'm just casting it out to like the center or to the edges.
Yep. Backside of that line. There you go. There you go. Oh, here it comes.
I think it was me flicking my bail. There. Oh no! Just got rejected twice.
Got him. Got him.
Whoa. Got him. First trout. Woo.
Does this even count as fishing if we're just catching them?
We gotta catch them.
Well, I already have caught one, so I'm catching
out a
them.
little bit so it doesn't get in those weeds.
They're everywhere. Holy cow.
Oh, you got one coming.
Oh, yes. Oh. Hook up, baby. That's stinky dough. That is another one to the pile for me. I'm gonna send this one back, guys. This one looks a little small. A little small on the rainbow.
Yeah, I'll come back in a little bit. Also.
Oh my god. It goes and it stops. Yeah, I need to get farther out. That's where they are.
They're right here.
Yeah.
Yep, there you go.
There's an extra line. I'm gonna try this side, just in case maybe there's one like there. Doesn't seem to be anything over here. Got one. Yep. Tell Grady to get over here. They're in the middle. Yeah. He wanted it. He came back. He missed it the first time. Yeah. I saw him because he bit and then it came off. And then I just see him circle. I can see him like a flash and then just boom. Whew. Another fish. 2 on the board, baby. Number 2 for you? 3.
It goes that far down.
All went right in there. Right where
This Carter just about fell in.
Well, I slipped trying to find that cast. Trout fight harder than I thought they would for being a fish that size. There are none over here, I promise. Let's get them. What? Sir, 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 sir. Whoa, it's a weird looking fish.
It's a brookie, that's why.
Yeah, it's a brook trout.
It ain't no rainy. There should be some browns in here.
I'm gonna let this one go. It's a little small,
Yeah.
especially with keep catching fish.
Yeah, you got a brookie and a rainbow. See, that's what I like brookies because it's like
You said that every time. How's my line? Is this your line? This is yours. I was gonna say, why is my line out? Well, see, the big ones are over there, but they're biting over on this side. Got one. This one's nicer than that one. Are you making a homemade stringer? Uh-oh. No, one above it. Oh no. I might have just got it stuck in the tree. We're gonna get this. Maybe we aren't. Wait, no, we'll get it. Here's the plan. We get it on the other side here. And we stick it down. Got it. I'm so close. Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching today's video. This is our haul for this part of the section. We have the other four at home. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out this guy's channel, LTL Outdoors, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Like always, subscribe. Bye, guys.